Hey yo, what is up everybody? What a fine day it is, isn't it? To watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can solve your switch account problem in Facebook Messenger. So this problem occurs when you try to switch account on your Messenger. So basically, let me show you guys how this problem occurs. You click on the profile picture looking icon at the top right corner, scroll a bit down, click on switch account, and once you click on your username over here or once you click on any one of this account over here, it's not gonna open up. So the first reason could be a slow internet. So make sure if your internet connection is fast enough to switch account. The other thing is if the account you try to switch into or the account you try to log into is banned. So if any of my account over here is banned, then if I try to log in into it, it's not gonna work. It's gonna say banned. So make sure to check that. So even if your account is not banned and you're still facing the problem, the next thing you can do is you can go to your app store or your Play Store. So for iPhone user, you come to App Store and go on Messenger. Once you search for Messenger, if it says open over here, that means your Messenger is up to date. But if it says update over here, it means your Messenger is not updated. You need to update your Messenger. So make sure your Messenger is up to date. And even after updating your Messenger, if it still doesn't fix a problem, next step, go to your setting, go on general, go on iPhone storage. Over here, search for Messenger, click on Messenger once you see it, and then click on offload app and your Messenger will be offloaded. Once you offload your Messenger, you need to reinstall it again. Just basically click on your Messenger logo. If you're trying to open it, it's going to reinstall automatically. Once it reinstalls, basically it's done. Your problem should be fixed. And if it still doesn't fix as a problem, the other way to log in into your other Messenger account or the other way to switch your Messenger account is go to your Facebook, switch your Facebook account, and from that Facebook try to access your Facebook's Messenger. The Messenger which is linked with that Facebook account is going to be opened on your phone, which means your Messenger is going to switch account automatically due to the Facebook. Alright, so that's how you guys can solve this switch account issue. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye until then.